Hey there, welcome to TechTube. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your profile or your username in LinkedIn through your PC. So you need to open a preferred web browser and go on and log into your account in LinkedIn through their website, right? So this is my homepage. Yours will also somewhat look similar like this. So in order to change your username, what you need to do is you can click on profile, your profile right there. It says me. Just click on it and click on view profile. So this is your main profile, or so what you need to do is click on this button right there, a pencil icon right there. And well, this is your first name and your last name. Just change that and your username will be changed accordingly. So if this content helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.